how to comment GIF on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on as well so you'll be updated here. So what we need to do first is go to our Play Store or App Store and check Instagram and see if there are available updates. So since there is an open button here, it means that there are no available updates. Then just open up Instagram. So we need to have the most updated Instagram for it to work. So go into your search settings or search bar and look for someone that you want to comment on. Okay, I will be commenting on this one. Just click on view all comments. If you click on that, you will be directed to the comment section and you can comment here whatever you want and go to that GIF button on the right. And then here just click on the GIF that you want to comment. So I hope this helps and thank you for watching this video.